If the VersaMax is going to be stored for months at a time, or if it is going to be operated, or if the pump is going to be operated in cold climates, the machine will have to be winterized. The manifold will have to be dropped or removed to remove any residual water in the pumping portion of the VersaMax. Also, the transfer box, water can be leaked inside of the transfer box. This can also freeze in cold climates. Instead of removing the manifold, you can also use RV antifreeze or a environmentally friendly type of antifreeze to keep the pump from freezing. When operating in cold climates, condensation can develop inside this tank during operation. This will cause the air lines to freeze between the pump and the spray station. This cap can be removed so airline antifreeze into the tank. Before removing this cap, ensure that all air pressure is bled out of the system. Once the material is in the air tank, replace the cap on the tank. During cold weather operation, it may be necessary to plug in the engine block heater. The engine is equipped with glow plugs to heat the incoming air, but it may not be sufficient enough to start the engine in cold weather. The block heater requires a 115 volt, 15 amp circuit. By following these winterization and cold weather operation procedures, this will help the VersaMax perform in cold weather conditions.